Looking for a reliable broker that offers advanced trading tools and solid educational support? Today we're diving into PU Prime, a global trading platform that's gaining attention for its innovative features and award-winning service. Let's explore what makes PU Prime stand out and whether it's the right choice for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. PU Prime is a globally recognized online broker that has quickly earned a reputation for delivering a world-class trading experience. Founded in 2015, PU Prime operates under PU Prime Ltd, regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, offering clients around the world access to a diverse range of financial instruments. PU Prime provides over 200 tradable instruments on powerful trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5. From Forex, Indices, Commodities, shares and bonds, as well as ETFs, to cryptocurrencies, PU Prime's ultra-fast execution, tight spreads and customizable trading conditions cater to all experience levels. With a strong focus on transparency, security and client education, the broker offers multilingual support, an extensive library of trading tools, and frequent market analysis, making it a solid choice for traders looking to grow their portfolios with confidence. PU Prime operates under a multi-jurisdictional regulatory framework, ensuring adherence to international financial standards. The broker's entities are authorized and regulated by several reputable financial authorities, including the FSA, FSC, FSCA, and the ASIC. This regulatory structure allows PU Prime to offer services tailored to clients across different regions, aligning with local compliance requirements. PU Prime offers generous bonuses and promotions to boost your trading power. New clients can get access to a 50% deposit bonus on their first deposit and 20% on subsequent ones, with a total bonus available of up to $9,500 USD. For copy traders, there's also a 100% deposit bonus, giving extra capital to mirror top traders. Additional offers include rebate programs, refer a friend rewards, first deposit cashbacks, and even a chance to win prizes in trading competitions. These promotions are subject to terms and may vary by region, so be sure to check the PU Prime website for the latest details. PU Prime also offers a robust and flexible partnership program for affiliates, introducing brokers and business developers looking to monetize their network in the trading space. Partners can choose from 3 commission models: call per action, introducing broker and hybrid, earning up to $850 USD per qualified referral, plus monthly bonuses. With 24/7 multilingual support, real-time reporting, and a full suite of marketing tools, PU Prime gives partners everything they need to grow their client base and income. The broker offers a range of trading platforms to suit various trading styles and preferences. These include the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms and integrated web trader, as well as the PU Prime proprietary mobile trading application. MetaTrader 4 is a widely used platform known for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners. MetaTrader 5 is an advanced platform, offering enhanced features over MetaTrader 4, including more technical indicators, more timeframes, and support for hedging and netting. It is suitable for traders seeking more sophisticated tools and broader market access. Their integrated web trader allows you to trade directly from your browser without any downloads. It's integrated with both MetaTrader 4 and 5, providing flexibility and convenience for traders on the go. Additionally, the PU Prime mobile application offers full trading functionality, including risk management tools, real-time market data, and the ability to open, edit, and close positions anytime, anywhere. With these platforms, the broker caters to traders of all levels, ensuring a seamless and efficient trading experience. PU Prime offers a variety of trading account types to cater to different trading styles and experience levels. These accounts include the Standard, Prime, electronic communication network, and cent accounts with demo and Islamic account options. Their standard account is ideal for most traders. It requires a minimum deposit of $50 and offers spreads from 1.3 pips with no commission. It supports all trading platforms and is available in multiple base currencies, including the USD, Great British Pound, and Euros. Their Prime account is designed for high-frequency traders. This account requires a 1,000 USD minimum deposit and offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a commission of $3.5 per side per lot. It provides ultra-fast execution and is suitable for those seeking tighter spreads. For professional traders, their electronic communication network account offers direct access with spreads from 0.0 pips and a commission of $1 USD per side per lot. It requires a 10,000 USD minimum deposit and is best suited for high-volume trading. Their cent account is perfect for beginners and allows you to trade with a minimum deposit of $20. It mirrors the standard account's features but displays balances in cents, making it easier to manage smaller trades. PU Prime offers a demo account which allows traders to practice in a simulated trading environment with real-time market data. Users can choose between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or the PU Prime application and customize their account settings. Additionally, PU Prime offers innovative social trading and copy trading platforms, designed to cater to traders of all experience levels. Users can automatically replicate the trades of seasoned professionals, allowing beginners to learn and potentially profit without extensive market knowledge. The platform provides access to a diverse range of signal providers, enabling users to select strategies that align with their risk tolerance and investment goals. The broker also offers advanced fund management solutions through its PAM and MAM accounts, catering to both investors and professional traders. The percentage allocation money management system allows investors to pool their funds under a skilled fund manager who trades on their behalf. Profits and losses are distributed proportionally, providing a hands-off investment approach for clients. For traders adhering to Islamic finance principles, PU Prime also offers Islamic swap-free options on multiple of their account types, which eliminates overnight interest charges, aligning with Sharia law. Instead of swap fees, an administration fee is applied to cover operational costs. Creating an account with PU Prime is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Sign Up button. Next, fill out and submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, and create a password for your account. After you have submitted your information, you will be redirected to the PU Prime client portal. Within the client portal, you can open live or demo accounts, contact customer support, view trading tools and promotions, and much more. If you are opening a live account, be sure to submit all your verification information in order to proceed. You can also simply open a demo account. Once you have chosen your preferred trading account type, submitted your information, and opened your trading account, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with PU Prime. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily view and switch between all of PU Prime's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. Above the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. And at the top left of the chart, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms or any other of PU Prime's trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online, over on PU Prime's educational hub, or even on the official MetaTrader website, to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. PU Prime provides a variety of deposit and withdrawal options to help make funding your account easy. You can deposit instantly using credit or debit cards, bank transfers, e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. Withdrawals can be made through these same methods, with bank transfers typically processed within 24 hours. All transactions must be made to accounts in your name and are subject to verification for security. PU Prime prioritizes safe and efficient processing to ensure your funds are handled smoothly. The broker provides a comprehensive trading education hub designed to support traders at all levels. Their PU Academy provides a structured learning path covering everything from the basics to advanced trading concepts. Interactive quizzes allow traders to access their knowledge and reinforce learning. For those seeking real-time insights, PU Prime hosts webinars led by industry experts, offering valuable market analysis and strategies. Additionally, a library of video tutorials and ebooks are also available, delving into topics like risk management and trading strategies. These resources are accessible through their website, ensuring traders have the tools needed to enhance their skills and confidence in the markets. PU Prime also offers a comprehensive suite of market analysis tools to enhance your trading decisions. Their market insights provide in-depth analysis of global financial markets, offering traders a clearer understanding of market trends. The technical analysis section delivers expert evaluations of various assets, helping traders stay more informed in the markets. They also offer real-time updates, daily financial news, as well as an economic calendar and trading calculators. These resources are designed to equip traders with the information needed to navigate the complexities of the financial markets effectively. Over the years of service, PU Prime has garnered numerous accolades, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the trading industry. Some of these awards include the Best Forex Trading Application, the Most Outstanding Broker, the Most Outstanding Copy Trading Platform, the Best Forex Affiliate, Best CFD Broker, Fastest Growing Forex Broker, among many other awards. These honors reflect the broker's dedication to providing top-tier trading services and innovative solutions to its global clientele. Overall, PU Prime positions itself as a comprehensive trading platform, offering a wide range of account types and trading instruments to cater to various trader needs. With access to over 800 products, including Forex, Indices, Commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies, traders have the diverse options at their fingertips. The broker provides multiple account types such as Standard, Prime, ECN, and Cent accounts, each designed to suit different trading strategies and experience levels. Additionally, PU Prime offers Islamic account options for traders who require swap-free trading in accordance with Sharia law. PU Prime's commitment to trader education is evident through its comprehensive educational resources, including their Trading Academy, webinars, video tutorials, and ebooks. These resources are designed to support traders in enhancing their knowledge and skills. Furthermore, the broker has been recognized with multiple awards, reflecting its dedication to providing quality trading services. And let's not forget the broker's strict regulation, ensuring compliance with international standards, with strict fund segregation, robust security measures, and negative balance protection. PU Prime offers a secure environment that prioritizes safety and confidence of its clients. So whether you're a beginner looking to start your trading journey, or an experienced trader seeking advanced tools and resources, PU Prime offers a platform that aims to support your trading endeavors. And that is our overview of PU Prime. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.